I've got a great color matching game for you and your kiddos. Stay tuned. Hey sitters, welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, thanks for joining me. And today I have an educational game video for you that helps you teach your kiddos colors. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love to put an educational twist on anything that I'm doing. But teaching kids anything can be frustrating for them and for you if it's boring. So why not put a little fun twist on it and turn it into a game? Which is what I've done with the color matching game that I have here. As you can see, I have a little alien and a little spaceship, and the spaceship has orange written across it. My alien is colored orange, and they have to match it. Now, obviously a toddler is not going to be able to read the letter or the name orange. They don't know their letters yet. So what you can do instead is color the spaceship orange. The one that's labeled orange, color orange. And they have to match the orange spaceship with the orange alien. If they're older and they know their colors and they're learning to read the color, leave this black and white and make sure that they're reading the name orange and matching it with the orange alien. I will put a link in the description below where you can find this game as well as others, but I wanted to show you what the PDF looks like. So you will get 10 different colors in the set, and on the PDF you'll get the pre-printed word on there, and you'll get a blank alien. So you will have to color the alien to match the spaceship. Make sure that you print it out in landscape. Also, I'll have different versions of this game on there as well, so you can go check those out. When you download, print this out, and play it with your kiddos, let me know how it goes, and let me know what they think as well. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.